We're once again in Cricut Design Space, and with this tag, it's going to be a simple, clean little tag. I'm going to search for tag in the freebie section of Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to choose the one here that has the star. This one actually has 3 parts to it, so that should work perfect. And I'm also going to search for tag and grab this one here with the scallop top. So that's the 2 pieces that I have there, and then I created an oval was the other size I needed. So make the tag the size you want. I'm going with about 2 inches, between 2 and 2.5 is usually a good size for the height. And then I'm going to duplicate that tag, and I'm going to slice out this oval. So you want it to kind of look like a snowbank coming off the side. So you'll just adjust your circle until you get the right angle that you like with that part of the tag being cut. So what you end up getting is just the snowbank part so that you can cut that out of the white glitter. So I'm going to slice that, and then I just need to delete all these other parts, and then I'm going to turn that piece white just so that I can kind of see what I'm doing. But that's going to give you that floating piece that we're going to be able to glue onto the back of our tag. Then I'm going to grab the tree, and I'm going to turn off the bottom because I don't need the trunk. And I'm going to size the tree and fit it there, bring it to the front, and you can cut it out from there. What I'm going to end up doing is I want to keep the star and maybe make that out of foil. So I'm going to duplicate it and turn off the contour for the star, and then turn the tree off on the other one so that it's 2 separate parts. So this way, if I wanted to make that green, that'll show me that I'm cutting that layer, and then that layer for the star we'll just make it brown to simulate gold. But if I wanted to put a gold or silver star on the tree, that gives me my tag. So we're going to go ahead and take this into Cricut and give it a cut. All right, so here we are. We have our 3 pieces. We have our snowbank, our tag, and our tree. And what we're going to do is this is the extra step using the Distress Ink. If you don't want to do this part, you don't have to. Like I said, I really enjoy adding just a little bit to the edges just to kind of help it stand out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up real quick, and then we are all set. And then let me get this. There we go. All right. So first thing we're going to do is actually glue on our snowbank. And I guess this isn't going to work with me today. So we're going to give it a poke here and see what happens. There we go. So with this tag, it is some simple cuts, but what we're hoping to do is kind of decorate it with our gel pen to make it look a little more custom made. And I'll show you kind of how we're going to do that. So we're going to get some glue on here, and we're going to take it and we're going to line it up at the bottom corner. And the easiest way to do that is to kind of stand it up and move it around to make sure that it hits the end and that we don't have any edges showing. So just like that. And then we're going to take our tree and we're going to put him next. And this is going to kind of go into the snow, but also a little like that. And then we take our gel pen, and what we're going to do is a nice like stitching around the edges. So what you'll do is you'll just do little lines like this. All along the edges, and that's what's nice about having this one with the scallops, because it kind of adds to the homemade like stitched part of it. pen got a little goop on it. Here we go. And you definitely can go in and add some snowflakes, little dots here and there. And what we're going to do last is add in some rhinestones. So I got these at Dollar Tree, and they are simply, peel and stick. So nothing too difficult about adding these. So you just grab one off of here. We'll put one up there. This one's really sticky. Oh, the glue came off. Let's grab from over here. There we go. We'll put another one over here. And then you could actually go in and further decorate with some pre-cut snowflakes. So I have tons of these in here to choose from. I have gold ones, silver ones, white ones. Anytime I have any scrap paper, I just cut a bunch of little embellishments, especially this time of year because I use them for decorating. So you could put some gold snowflakes in here. You could put some holly leaves, anything like that. But this one is a really simple little tag. And hope you enjoyed this one. And we'll be on to the next one.